How does Taiwan make an outsized impact on the world? Accelerating the global drive to electric vehicles and smart mobility. Supplying people across the world with vital medical supplies. Providing computing power for advanced new technologies, including AI, 5G, and IoT. And strengthening global supply chains. It makes an outsized impact through world-class manufacturing. A strong, competitive spirit, a commitment to innovation at the highest levels, and the ability to transform ideas into reality. It makes an impact through excellence. Taiwan excellence.
Taiwan's winning healthcare formula is driven by innovation and R&D and putting people at the heart of it all. Taiwan's healthcare ranks high globally with its breakthrough technology, innovative design, and advanced capabilities. As a leading healthcare hub, Taiwan is constantly innovating its medical foundation and developing its ICT strengths, providing a full range of medical solutions that will benefit people across the globe. Taiwan, the pursuit of excellence.
สวัสดีค่ะกับเรียนค่ะท่านผอ.ฝ่ายการตลาดเชิงกลยุทธ์ของสภาส่งเสริมการค้าและการส่งออกไต้หวันหรือว่าไทตรานะคะนายกสมาคมอุตสาหกรรมเทคโนโลยีเครื่องมือแพทย์ไทยท่านวิทยากรแขกผู้มีเกียรติท่านสุภาพบุรุษสุภาพสตรีและพี่น้องสื่อมวลชนที่รักทุกท่านนะคะดิฉันธริศราจันทิพย์ค่ะขอต้อนรับทุกท่านอย่างเป็นทางการเข้าสู่งานเปิดตัวผลิตภัณฑ์ไต้หวัน Excellence จาก5บริษัทชั้นนำจากไต้หวันในวันนี้นะคะอย่างที่ทุกท่านได้เห็นจากวิดีโอ3วิดีโอเมื่อกี้ไปแล้วนะคะว่าไต้หวันตอนนี้เนี่ยเรามีเทคโนโลยีอะไรใหม่ๆมากมายเลยนะคะแล้วเราก็มีเป้าหมายจุดมุ่งหมายเพื่อที่จะพัฒนาคุณภาพชีวิตของผู้ป่วยแล้วก็ช่วยเชื่อมศักยภาพทางการแพทย์นะคะไม่ว่าจะเป็นทางการแพทย์ทางไกลนะคะหรือว่าการที่เราจะติด ต่อติดตามนะคะรักษาผู้ป่วยได้อย่างใกล้ชิดได้อย่างไรนะคะวันนี้เราก็จะมาพูดคุยกันถึงหัวข้อนี้ด้วยเช่นกันนะคะ It's very good afternoon Executive Director of the Strategic Marketing Department of Taiwan External Trade Development Council or TAIDRA President of Thai Medical Device Technology Industry Association ThaiMed Keynote speakers distinguished guests beloved media ladies and gentlemen First of all, for me, on behalf of TAIDRA, we'd officially like to welcome all of you here to Taiwan Excellence Product Launch today, the best made in Taiwan. And as you can see, we have been watching 3 videos all about the excellence of the medical technology in Taiwan. And today, we are going to keep in touch about what Taiwan going to give us in the medical industry here in Thailand ในนามของสภาส่งเสริมการค้าและการส่งออกแห่งไต้หวันนะคะประจำประเทศไทยหรือว่าไทตรานะคะแน่นอนค่ะทุกท่านกำลังอยู่ในงานเปิดตัวผลิตภัณฑ์ไต้หวัน Excellence นะคะมีทั้งหมดด้วยกัน5บริษัทค่ะการันตีด้วยรางวัลยอดเยี่ยมจากทางไต้หวันนะคะร่วมบรรยายแลกเปลี่ยนความรู้ในหัวข้อต่างๆค่ะและนำเสนอเทคโนโลยีที่พร้อมขับเคลื่อนและส่งเสริมอุตสาหกรรมทางการแพทย์ในประเทศไทยให้สามารถนำไปต่อยอดได้อย่างมีประสิทธิภาพสูงสุดนะคะวันนี้ค่ะเรานำพาทุกท่านมาในคอนเซปต์ที่มีชื่อว่า Future Telemedicine Connecting Healthcare Caring for the World ค่ะLadies and gentlemen, Taiwan Excellence Product Launch event is joined by representatives of the 5 leading companies that have been awarded from Thai Excellence Awards. Today, they will be engaging in discussions to exchange knowledge on various topics and showcasing the modest healthcare, biotechnology, and medical innovations, all centered around the theme of future telemedicine, connecting healthcare, caring for the world.Certain to advance the Thai medical industry สำหรับงานในวันนี้ค่ะพี่ๆสื่อมวลชนที่รักทุกๆท่านคะมีวัตถุประสงค์เพื่อเปิดโอกาสให้กับผู้ประกอบการธุรกิจหรือว่าบริษัทในแวดวงอุตสาหกรรมทางการแพทย์นะคะการดูแลสุขภาพของไทยและเทคโนโลยีทางการแพทย์เนี่ยเราจะมามุ่งเน้นเรื่องนวัตกรรมนะคะเพื่อพัฒนาคุณภาพชีวิตผู้ป่วยนะคะว่าในไต้หวันเนี่ยมีอะไรที่ล้ำสมัยมากๆนะคะแล้วก็ขอกล่าวสวัสดีอีกครั้งสำหรับผู้ชมที่รับชมอยู่ทาง YouTube ของทางไต้หวัน Excellence ด้วยเช่นเดียวกันนะคะเอาละค่ะผลิตภัณฑ์ที่นำมาเสนอในปีนี้นะคะเรามุ่งเน้นค่ะเพื่อใช้ประโยชน์จากอุตสาหกรรมการผลิตเครื่องมือแพทย์ค่ะที่มีประสิทธิภาพอย่างชาญฉลาดเข้ามาช่วยเพิ่มศักยภาพในการดูแลรักษาผู้ป่วยไม่ว่าจะเป็นเรื่องของเทคโนโลยีการสื่อสารอย่างการแพทย์ทางไกลนะคะ Telemedicine หรือการแพทย์แห่งอนาคตหรือว่า Future Medicine นะคะเป็นเทคโนโลยีการแพทย์ใหม่ๆที่คาดว่าจะเข้ามาเปลี่ยนแปลงอนาคตของเราเลยก็ว่าได้นะคะสำหรับวันนี้ค่ะทั้ง5บริษัทจะนำเสนอข้อมูลนวัตกรรมเครื่องมือและอุปกรณ์ทางการแพทย์นะคะที่ทุกท่านเนี่ยจะได้รับฟังในลำดับถัดไปนั่นเองค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, how modern medical devices do the 5 Taiwanese companies have in store for us today? Keep in touch because we're going to know very soon. แต่ก่อนที่เราจะไปเริ่มลงลึกนะคะในรายละเอียดกันว่าทางไต้หวันเนี่ยมีดีอย่างไร5บริษัทนี้ถึงได้รางวัลจากไต้หวัน Excellence นะคะแน่นอนค่ะยังมี2บุคคลสำคัญนะคะรอพบเพื่อที่จะกล่าวต้อนรับแล้วก็ทำการเปิดงานอย่างเป็นทางการค่ะ Ladies and gentlemen, before we get through all details about those interesting details of this presentation and event,Today, we are honored to have 2 persons very important who would like to give you a warm welcome and make the opening remark. First, may I invite the Deputy Executive Director of the stage. She is the Strategic Marketing Department of Taiwan External Trade Development Council, or TRIDA. May I invite Ms. พ่อยูหลิน up on the stage, please. ขอเสียงตบมือให้กับคุณพ่อยูหลินด้วยค่ะ
Okay, Mr. Preacher and President of Medical Device Technology Industry Association, ThaiMed, and our 5 talented keynote speakers and our friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. And on behalf of Taiwan, I'm very happy to welcome you all to this Taiwan Excellence Product Launch. It's a fantastic opportunity to showcase Taiwan's incredible innovation in the field of medical industry and technology. Thailand and Taiwan, we have long we have long been share a very strong partnership across various sectors, from the trade and culture to education and travel. For example, Thailand has been the top 5 popular travel destination among Taiwanese tourists. And also in the medical industry, we have long been a very good partnership in this industry. Taiwan is, I think, because of this pandemic, I think Taiwan is very famous for its technology advancements in this ICT industry, especially the semiconductor. And we have our companies, we have applied our know-how or technology in the ICT industry to this medical industry, so that we have been very good and excelling in medical devices. For example, for this year, for the first half of this year, our export value has reached $2.3 million, and we export our products around the world. And we know that Thai government aims to build Thailand as the Asia's healthcare center. And I believe that Taiwan's cutting-edge technology, we can work together and to achieve this goal. So we believe that our cooperation will grow stronger and benefiting both of us with the latest in the medical technology. And today we are honored to introduce you to. We have 5 remarkable Taiwan Excellence Award winners, and these 5 pioneers will delve into topics like medical-grade PTZ cameras and handheld X-ray machines. And I encourage you to dive into these presentations and discover how Taiwan's medical device industry can elevate your organization, your clinics, your hospitals, nursing centers, and the medical staff. And last but not least, don't forget to visit our Taiwan X Pavilion and the Taiwan Pavilion downstairs. We have more than 40 exhibitors in these Taiwan pavilions, and you will find a wide range of innovative products that will meet the highest standards of quality and ingenuity. So once again, thank you for being here with us today, and I wish each of you a fruitful and a healthy year ahead. Thank you.
A big round of applause for Ms. Paul Yulin for your remarkable speech. Thank you so much. ลำดับถัดไปนะคะแขกผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านคะยังมีอีกหนึ่งบุคคลสำคัญนะคะที่วันนี้จะขึ้นมากล่าวต้อนรับนะคะแล้วก็กล่าวเปิดงานอย่างเป็นทางการในวันนี้นะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the next important person that will give you a warm welcome and the opening remarks. He is the president of the Thai Medical Device Technology Industry Association or ThaiMed. Please join me in welcoming Mr. ปรีชาพันติเวชเรียนเชิญท่านค่ะ
รองผู้อำนวยการฝ่ายการตลาดเชิงจุดกลยุทธ์สภาส่งเสริมการค้าและการส่งออกไต้หวันแขกผู้มีเกียรติและสื่อมวลชนทุกท่านครับในนามของสมาคมอุตสาหกรรมเทคโนโลยีเครื่องมือแพทย์ไทยหรือที่รู้จักในนามไทยเมดซึ่งทำหน้าที่เป็นตัวแทนขององค์กรเพื่อประสานความร่วมมือระหว่างภาครัฐกับภาคเอกชนนะครับและก็สถาบันวิจัยซึ่งมีเป้าหมายในการขับเคลื่อนและผลักดันให้อุตสาหกรรมเครื่องมือแพทย์ของไทยให้ก้าวทันเทคโนโลยีทางการแพทย์ของโลกซึ่งในปัจจุบันพัฒนาไปอย่างไม่หยุดยั้งโดยเฉพาะหลังจากที่ทั่วโลกต้องเผชิญกับการระบาดครั้งใหญ่ของโควิด -19 ทำให้เกิดการตื่นตัวตระหนักรู้ทั้งระดับผู้เชี่ยวชาญและระดับประชาชนทั่วไปถึงความสำคัญของการเตรียมความพร้อมทางด้านการแพทย์ในระดับการป้องกันก่อนที่จะเกิดอีกทั้งเทคโนโลยี AI ได้เข้ามามีบทบาทในทุกภาคส่วนทำให้อุตสาหกรรมเทคโนโลยีเครื่องมือแพทย์พัฒนาอย่างก้าวกระโดดจึงเป็นโอกาสอันดีของวงการอุตสาหกรรมเครื่องมือแพทย์ไทยในการเปิดรับเรียนรู้เทคโนโลยีจากทั่วโลกซึ่งไต้หวันถือเป็นหนึ่งในผู้เชี่ยวชาญทางด้านเทคโนโลยีทางด้าน IT ซึ่งผนวกกับ การผลิตภัณฑ์ต่างๆของไต้หวันได้อย่างลงตัวและมีประสิทธิภาพเป็นที่ยอมรับของระดับสากลผมจึงมีความยินดีเป็นอย่างยิ่งที่เห็นผลิตภัณฑ์ของทางด้านการแพทย์ในนามของไต้หวัน Excellence มาร่วมจัดงานในงานแสดง Medical Fair 2023 ในครั้งนี้พร้อมจัดงานเปิดตัวผลิตภัณฑ์ทางด้านเทคโนโลยีทางการแพทย์ภายใต้คอนเซปต์ Future Telemedicine Connecting Healthcare Caring for the World ซึ่งเป็นที่น่าสนใจและผมมั่นใจว่านวัตกรรมการดูแลสุขภาพแห่งอนาคตจาก 5 บริษัทชั้นนำของไต้หวันที่นำมาเปิดตัวในวันนี้จะเป็นโอกาสที่ให้ทุกท่านเข้าร่วมงานได้รับประโยชน์ได้เรียนรู้เทคโนโลยีอันล้ำค่าและเปิดโอกาสต่อยอดธุรกิจประสานความร่วมมือในด้านการพัฒนาของวงการเครื่องมือแพทย์ของไทยและเชื่อมความสัมพันธ์ระหว่างไทยกับไต้หวันได้เป็นอย่างดียิ่งผมขอถือโอกาสนี้อวยพรให้การเปิดตัวผลิตภัณฑ์เทคโนโลยีทางด้านการแพทย์ Future Telemedicine Connecting Healthcare Caring for the World จากไต้หวันในวันนี้ประสบความสำเร็จตามเจตนารมณ์ที่ตั้งไว้ทุกประการขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณท่านเภสัชกรเป็นอย่างสูงค่ะเรียนเชิญท่านอยู่ต่อสักครู่นะคะเพราะว่าทางคุณพ่ออยู่หลินจากทางไทตราค่ะมีของที่ระลึกเล็กน้อยนะคะจะมอบให้กับท่านเภสัชกรนะคะเพื่อเป็นการขอบคุณในการเข้าร่วมงานกับเรานะคะขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับทั้งสองท่านอีกครั้งหนึ่งค่ะ And now it's for the gift presentation from Ms. Paul Yulin, Deputy Executive Director of the Strategic Marketing Department of Taiwan External Trade Development Council of Thailand, give to Mr. Prisha Pandiwet, the President of the Thai Device Technology Industry Association or ThaiMed. ขอ1ช็อตนะคะขออีก1ช็อตนะคะนะคะ And now it's the time for the memorable photo together. May I invite another 5 keynote speaker today up on this stage in order to join the photo session together. ลำดับถัดไปนะคะขออนุญาตเรียนเชิญท่านสปีกเกอร์ขึ้นถ่ายภาพพร้อมกันนะคะกับท่านผู้บริหารนะคะเรียนเชิญท่านแรกนะคะผู้จัดการฝ่ายบัญชีบริษัท Ever Information คุณแอบบี้หวงนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen please welcome Account Manager Ever Information Incorporated Miss แอบบี้หวงขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณแอบบี้ด้วยค่ะ Next, may I invite Vice President Energy Resources International Company Limited, Mr. Robert Yang. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณโรเบิร์ตค่ะ Next, may I invite the High Wind Technology Corporation Project Manager, Mr. Chris. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณคริสนะคะลำดับถัดไปนะคะ CEO Nano Ray Biotech Company Limited นะคะคุณ Mike Su. Please welcome Mr. Mike Su.ลำดับสุดท้ายนะคะ last but not least Asia Division Sales Manager Well L Incorporated Mr. Ray Yang ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณ Ray Yang ด้วยนะคะและนี่ก็คือชมหน้านะคะของท่านผู้บริหารนะคะเป็นความร่วมมือระหว่างทางไทยแล้วก็ทางไต้หวันนะคะที่วันนี้ทางไต้หวัน Excellence เองโดยไทตรานะคะได้นำเอาไต้หวัน Excellence 5 บริษัทนะคะที่ได้รับรางวัลยอดเยี่ยมทั้ง 5 บริษัทมาที่ประเทศไทยของเรานะคะเพื่อที่จะนำบริการและนวัตกรรมใหม่ๆนะคะมานำเสนอให้กับคนไทยแล้วก็อุตสาหกรรมแพทย์ของทางประเทศไทยค่ะยิ้มกว้างๆเลยค่ะ Big smile please one more video shot over there here and we have so many medias would like to join us and write the news for all of Thai population to know more about Taiwan technology today นะคะอย่าเพิ่งนะคะอย่าเพิ่งไปไหนนะคะมีค่ะ one more A video, a big smile, please. Welcome to the land of smile. So we have to get very big smile. And the center photographer over there for the news. นะคะ One more shot, please. Oh, we have a lot of media joining us today, like the Hollywood star somehow. นะคะเรียนเชิญเลยค่ะขอบคุณมากนะคะขอเสียงปรบมือดังๆนะคะให้กับ Executive นะคะแล้วก็ Keynote Speaker ค่ะ Thank you very much once again ThaiMate and all keynote speakers and all right we will invite you later to join the presentation from each of you from the 5 presentations showing the highest technology from Taiwan for the future telemedicine เดี๋ยวอีกสักครู่นึงนะคะเดี๋ยวเราจะพาทุกท่านไปสัมผัสกับประสบการณ์จริงกันดีกว่านะคะเชื่อว่าทุกคนเนี่ยคงอดใจไม่ไหวแล้วว่าการแพทย์แผนของคนไทยเนี่ยที่อยู่ในระยะทางไกลเนี่ยจะมีข้อดีอย่างไรที่นำเอาเทคโนโลยีของทางไต้หวันเข้ามาช่วยได้บ้างนะคะซึ่งวันนี้โอ้โหมากันเยอะมากๆในรูปแบบที่หลากหลายนะคะแต่ว่าเชื่อได้ว่าทุกคนจะว้าวอย่างแน่นอนนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, let's kickstart for the first presentation. And for the first presentation, it's all about visualize the future of connected health with the MD330U series medical grade PTC camera. And this topic will be presenting by Miss Abby Huang once again, account manager, Ever Information Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Miss Abby Huang. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณ Abby ด้วยนะคะ
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, so many people. Great to see you guys. And I'm Abby Huang from Ever Information. And Ever is a leading audio-visual equipment provider in Taiwan. And we have expanded our market from education and video conferencing to medical industry since onset of COVID-19 in 2019. And we built a dedicated medical team from last year. So about me, I have over 7 years of digital health experience. And I'm delighted to be invited by Taitra to discuss our experience in telehealth today. So as you all know, we are currently facing several healthcare crises globally. So, including a rapid aging population and medical staff burnout and unequal healthcare quality and so on. So various technology solution springs up to be considered as a way to mitigate the impact of the crisis. Okay. So as a result, the government worldwide, particularly in the United States and England and Europe, have started allocating huge funds to develop smart hospital and implement various smart solutions. And certainly telemedicine is an important role in this endeavor. Okay. So let's take a look at the global telehealth market size, where it's predicted to reach 455 billion by 2030 with an annual growth rate of 24% from 2023. So the market size is in various countries are also consistently increasing. And next, let's shift our focus to the Thai market, which is known as a medical hub in Asia. And this market is experiencing continuous rapid growth with an estimated growth rate 90% from 2021 to 2027. So due to the blooming demand from the market, we've also designed a unique PTZ camera with MD330U series with AI capability, significantly tailored for medical usage. And thanks to the Bureau of Foreign Trade and Taitra, this innovative camera is rewarded by Taiwan Excellent Gold Award in 2023. So I'm gonna show you an intro video about the MD330. And over the past years, we have also established numerous telehealth cases in many countries, and this positive trend is steady rise. So, I believe from the video you'll know how the MD330U series can be effectively utilized in the telehealth sector, but also in the operating theater and the patient monitoring scenarios. In the telehealth solutions, the one and only detectable head allows doctor to observe the patient remotely without any angle limitation, and the LED light could provide ample illumination to the close-up image, and the one-click snapshot could easily get a 4K high-resolution picture in a split second. So you could use a picture instead of the streaming when you're under the unstable internet environment. And here is a telehealth case in Norway where the MD330U is integrated with Kingly offshore telemedicine solution. And this integration enables connections between oil drilling platform and hospital. It ensures that patients receive excellent care through telemedicine while they are waiting for the medical resources. And in the operating theater, the MD330U delivers 4K high-resolution image of the patient to the doctor, together with 30 times optical zoom, allow doctor to make accurate remote diagnosis, facilitating seamless virtual collaboration that makes doctor feel they are just right there. And here, our partner, Surgery Advanced Solution, has integrated the MD330U for capture room view and the surgical process, along with pads and endoscope and C-arm, etc., into the MIA system. And this integration enhances convenience for surgical tracking, education, and seminar, significantly benefit medical crew and the administrators. And the last scenario I would like to share is patient monitoring. The MD330UI is equipped with an infrared night view function, allowing it to capture clear image even in low light condition. So, additionally, its all-in-one design includes a speaker and microphone, while integrated AI noise reduction function could ensure seamless and stress-free two-way communication. And here's a classic tele-ICU case in Taiwan. In every isolated ICU ward, we employ one camera. And these cameras help caregivers to see all the information from the central monitor. And it helps avoid unnecessary entry to the ward, saving time and the cost of PPE. And furthermore, it reduces the risk of infection for medical professionals. And here is the good news that I've heard recently. We got a lot of positive feedback from a hospital in the Tampa, US. And the virtual rounding solution with MD330UI could help them recognize the allergic reaction of new antibiotic and make sure patient is under stable, and furthermore adjust treatment in time by incentive tracking. So the virtual rounding solution has greatly improved the quality of patient outcome. So from this case study I shared, that we can say how the MD330U benefit the medical group. However, EVER is not satisfied for just providing the excellent hardware design. We also take it a step further by leveraging audio-visual AI technology to aid healthcare professionals in reducing their workload and improving the quality of care. So additionally, we are developing AI function, including facial tracking and alert detection and ingress and fall detection to address the pain points of the medical crew. So let's use the power of audio-visual technology to visualize the future of connected health together. And thank you for your all attention. If you have further questions, you could contact me via linking. For more information of our products, you could visit our website. Thank you. Have a nice day.
ขอเสียงตบมือให้กับคุณแอบบี้ห่วงนะคะผู้จัดการฝ่ายบัญชีบริษัท Ever Information ค่ะ Thank you so much for your insightful information for the first presentation แขกผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านคะโอ้โหนี่มันไม่ใช่กล้องธรรมดาแล้วนะคะคิดดูว่าถ้าเกิดมีกล้องอย่างเงี้ยเยอะๆแม้กระทั่งว่าเราสามารถซื้อหาได้ไว้ตามบ้านนี่จะดีขนาดไหนนะคะละเอียดมากๆถึง 4K นะคะแล้วมีอะไรเราก็สามารถดึงหัวของกล้องนี้ออกมาแล้วก็คนที่บ้านเราเป็นอะไรอะแพทย์ช่วยดูหน่อยได้ไหมหรือว่าแม้กระทั่งมี second opinion จากข้ามซีกโลกก็ยังได้เลยนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเนี่ยเป็นเทคโนโลยีที่น่าสนใจมากๆจากทางไต้หวันนะคะต้องขอบคุณคุณแอบบี้ห่วงมากๆนะคะเอาล่ะค่ะมาถึงเรื่องของ presentation ที่ 2 กันบ้างดีกว่าค่ะซึ่งมีความแตกต่างกันนะคะแต่ว่ายังอยู่ในหัวข้อของ future telemedicine เช่นเดียวกันนะคะเทคโนโลยีล้ำสมัยมากๆนะคะวันนี้ค่ะจะมานำเสนอระบบเอ็กซเรย์แบบพกพาโมเดลทางการแพทย์แบบใหม่ที่เน้นมนุษย์เป็นศูนย์กลางนั่นเองนะคะซึ่งผู้ที่จะมาพรีเซนต์ในหัวข้อนี้นะคะท่านเป็นรองประธานบริษัท Energy Resources International จำกัดนั่นเองนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, under the topic of handheld X-ray machine human-oriented new medical model will be presented by คุณ Robert Yang, the Vice President of Energy Resources International Company Limited. Please welcome. ขอเสียงตบมือด้วยค่ะ
I'm Robert Yang from Energy Resource International Company. Today, I want to introduce a human-oriented new medical model for all of you with low dose and handheld X-ray machine. Energy Resource International, our medical branch was established in 2015, and we produce a low-dose X-ray machine with the co-cathode X-ray tubes. We use this low-dose X-ray tube to produce a handheld X-ray machine for the people can use in hospital and our hospital. On elder or the people with reduced mobility or for the bedridden patients when they need to take an X-ray image, normally we go to the hospital. But ERI, let hospital come to you by using the handheld X-ray machine. Our target market was the digital health. This machine can use for the emergency health scenario, or for the home care and telemedicine, and can also use for the mobile radiology diagnosis. ERI's core technology was a carbon nanotube, and we use the carbon nanotube to produce the co-cathode X-ray tube and then provide the handheld X-ray machine to the market. Our carbon nanotube technology can very high temperature resistance and high voltage resistance. And with the coherence of the electrode, we produce the X-ray tube with the very high quantity X-ray image with the simplified structure and minimize the radiation dose. And then we can raise the with the small size of the machine and can let the machine can come to everybody. ERI's carbon nanotube technology had won the Best Innovative Technology in ISNA at 2014. ICNA is the biggest organization of in the world in radiology field, and the world companies in the same time are the GE, Philips, and Toshiba. All they are famous and big companies in the world. And at that time, EI is just a small company. Because the X-ray is very light, so it's very suitable for handheld and very safe and easy to carry. And with the lightest and the high quantity image with the low dose, it can be bring to the people and with the more people oriented. Because it's lightweight and easy to carry, so it's very suitable for difficult situations like the remote area or the major disaster film or any other case. They need to the machine to the people, not send the people to the hospital. In this page, you can see the image is very good, and our dosage is down to quarter compared with the traditional one, and the diagnostic significance is very, very good. And the leakage of the machine is very low. It's just 1,000 compared with the regulation. That is checked by the third party of the SGS. With low radiation leakage, they can protect the operator. And our ARS X-ray machine to test and chest X-ray, that's just 0.005 Sievert. That's just quarter compared with the traditional one, and just 1/18 compared with the round tree of 5 between Taipei and LA. Our handheld dental X-ray machine had passed the TFD and FDA, and we won the Taiwan Excellence Award in the beginning of this year. And because it is very lightweight and easy to carry and drive by the battery, so it can use outdoor for the outdoor diagnosis, or and in the clinics you can move the machine from room to room. And also with the protection room, there can protection the operator from the base scattering of the radiation. This kind of machine can use indoor and outdoor. For use in outdoor, you can use in the emergency center, or you can, when you want to take a X-ray image for the child, that is very convenient. And it can also use in the operation room. And for the outdoor use, it can be as first aid equipment. Like the sports arena or emergency, or for the temporary medical station. And our machine also has finished a clinical trial in Taiwan in the Changhua Christian Hospital. There is a medical center based in Taiwan. They have more than 3,600 beds, and the result is very good and impressive. And besides for the people, this kind of machine can also use in the animal hospital for pets and during the surgery, after the surgery. In this page, you can see the operator take the X-ray image during the surgery. And you can see this case, the X-ray image is very clear, and you can very clear to see the bone nail and bone plate in this X-ray image. And our besides the low radiation, our X-ray quality is very, very good. This is our X-ray image compared with the other brand of the stationary. Our go-to-market strategy is we have finished the clinical trial and we have win the regulation. And next step, we want to go to the telemedicine. This kind of machine can use for the remote hospital branch and for the local clinics and healthcare center. And then we want to use this machine to for the emergency use and for the mobile health care and home care. And our purpose is that the patients can see a doctor anytime, anywhere. Thank you.
Thank you very much. A big round of applause for คุณโรเบิร์ตหยางค่ะขอบคุณมากๆนะคะโอ้โหเป็นอีกหนึ่งเทคโนโลยีที่น่าสนใจมากๆเลยนะคะเมื่อกี้โชว์ไปเรียกว่ากล้องโพลารอยด์เอาจริงๆนะคะไซซิ่งอะไรคือแบบเฟรนลี่มากๆแล้วก็สามารถพกพาไปในทุกๆที่ที่ต้องการการใช้งานได้จริงๆนะคะไม่ต้องรอให้รถปฐมพยาบาลพาไปถึงโรงพยาบาลก็สามารถรู้เบื้องต้นได้แล้วโทรศัพท์หาคุณหมอได้แล้วว่าโอเคอาการแบบนี้ต้องรักษายังไงนะคะยอดเยี่ยมมากๆนะคะ We can say that this portable X-ray machine is a highly versatile healthcare and telemedicine solution, especially for dental patients. Furthermore, we have been privy to the fact that the company is currently developing an even more advanced portable X-ray system called CVX Air, weighing only 3.5 kilograms. It is designed for diagnosing arms, legs, and the chest, making it suitable for telemedicine and various environments, introducing a new diagnosis and business model to the industry. เจ๋งมากๆนะคะมาถึงลำดับที่3กันบ้างเรารู้จักกล้องที่เอาไว้ observe เวลาที่อยู่ในห้องผ่าตัดไปแล้วนะคะสามารถเอาไปติดตามคนไข้ได้แล้วถัดมาเมื่อกี้มีเอ็กซเรย์แล้วที่เหมือนกล้องโพลารอยด์เล็กๆนะคะหัวข้อที่3ค่ะไปรู้จักกับโรบอทกันบ้างดีกว่าซึ่งโรบอทนะคะเทคโนโลยีล้ำสมัยล่าสุดจากทางไต้หวันเนี่ยช่วยในการผ่าตัดค่ะทำให้แผลในการผ่าตัดเนี่ยลดน้อยลงเหลือเล็กนิดเดียวแล้วก็ทำให้การผ่าตัดเนี่ยไหลลื่นแล้วก็สมูทมากๆเลยนะคะดังนั้นเนี่ยเป็นอีกหนึ่งเทคโนโลยีที่น่าสนใจแล้วก็อยากจะพาพี่ๆสื่อมวลชนไปรู้จักกันนะคะอย่างแน่นอน Okay, we are coming to the third presentation called High-Wind Robotic Solutions for Medical Services, and this presentation going to show you the medical robotic solution for precision surgery. These robots can work alongside doctors in surgical procedures with exceptional precision, making them reliable assistants in minimally invasive surgery. So we're going to know right now, and the one who is going to present in this topic, he is the project manager from High-Wind Technologies Corporated. Please welcome คุณคริสขอเสียงตบมือให้กับคุณคริสด้วยค่ะ
Good afternoon. This is Chris from High-Wind Technologies in Taiwan. Today I will share with you High-Wind robotic solution for medical service. Okay, in the beginning, I will give you some information of High-Wind Technologies. High-Wind is a leading brand of motion control system and technology. And its industrial robots are widely used in intelligent automations that has manpower elimination and net efficient productions. For example, it can be used to the precise pick and press tasks, and it can also be used to make a coffee. And besides, there are many other critical components in the robot, like bolt screw and guideway. And High-Wind started medical development by integrating our technology to meet the clinical needs. We cooperate to many hospitals in Taiwan, and the most need we received are the intelligent automation to assist in the medical service. Okay, we aim to solve the routine jobs that need too much manpower and causing physical fatigue. And therefore, we start to develop the medical robot. And these robots are designed according to the highly precise motion control experience, and it also uses many our critical components to manufacturers. We provide the customer-oriented solutions to increase the efficiency and reduce the cost. And for now, we already have two different type solutions in the rehabilitation and in the surgery field. And I will show you more in details in the following slides. Okay, the first solution is in the rehabilitation. We provide the robotic gait train system to service in the low limb rehabilitation. It combines three important working elements: stepping, weight bearing, and balance training in one machine. And here's a video. Please play the video. Okay, we can see how the robots work. It's a three-point support system. It uses abutment and pelvic and knee support to keep the patient in an upright side stand postures. And it can provide safe support and intensive repetition training to make the early intervention possible and easier. Okay, and there are three different patterns can be selected. The therapist can select which pattern to training according to the patient's conditions. The first trajectory is the ellipse trajectory. It can train hip flexion, trunk control, and weight shifting. And it's suitable for the patients who have difficulty to lift their legs. And the second pattern is flat ellipse trajectory. It's a longer step trajectory, and it's suitable for the patients who have a shuffling gait with a small step. And the last pattern is walking trajectory. It can provide a full gait cycle, and it's suitable for the chronic stroke patient to practice a normal gait training. And we also provide the customized training planning. The therapist can adjust the pyramid according to the patient's condition, like patterns or cadence and the step length or the training time. Okay, with the hiring robot, the hospital can expand the service capacity. The yearly service number can reach up to 3,000. And for now, we already have much experience in rehabilitation. Okay, in the second solution is about surgery. We provide robotic endoscope holder. It will be used in the minimally invasive surgery to hold the endoscope. And it can provide a precise positioning during the surgery. And the most important features is the ASEAN design. Here we can see on the video, when robot moves, the movement will according to a fixed point, like this, so that we can guarantee the safety between the surgery, and the robot will be fixed in one point to movement. And the other advantage is to ensure the minimal incision advantage from the surgery. And there are two intuitive controls to move our robot. The first way is to use hand to move the robot directly. And the second way, we have a foot pedal. So the surgeon can control our robot by the pedal, so that the surgeon doesn't need to put down the instrument, so that the surgery will not be paused. And we also have a high compatibility with various brands of endoscope, like Storz, Olympus, Strike, and SQLab. Okay, with the high-wings robot, it can provide a stable image. Compared to the human hold, it can avoid the treatment issue, and it can also bring a better concentrative environment. We can see on the pictures, the left one is the human hold situation. The assistant may stand upside the doctor to hold the endoscope, and it may increase the assistant's fatigue. However, use our robot. It can solve this problem and bring an ergonomic operation experience. And the other advantage is to optimize the manpower utilization. It can achieve easy solo surgery. And in summary, Haiwen's robot is a single-arm robot, so it will be easier to use and also an affordable solution in medical service. Haiwen's medical service is start from Taiwan, and now we already expand our service to many countries in Asia, South Asia, and Europe. Our goal is to provide an efficiency and also an affordable solutions to service all over the world. This is the motto of our CEO. Manufacturing is not the goal, but a service to fulfill the human needs. This higher purpose leads to innovation that improve our society. That's all my presentation. If you want to get more information, you are welcome to our booth. Thank you.
เสียงปรบมือให้กับคุณคริสนะคะ Project Manager จาก Highwind Technologies ค่ะขอบคุณมากๆนะคะและนั่นก็เป็นหัวข้อของหุ่นยนต์ที่ช่วยให้แพทย์ได้ผ่าตัดนะคะหรือว่าช่วยคนไข้ได้ใช้ชีวิตในการกายภาพได้สมบูรณ์แบบมากยิ่งขึ้นนะคะมีทั้งเรื่องผ่าตัดกายภาพนะคะซึ่งจริงๆแล้วก็ถ้ากายภาพเนี่ยจริงๆเป็นที่ต้องการนะคะไม่ใช่แค่ที่โรงพยาบาลอย่างเดียวแต่ว่าที่บ้านด้วยเช่นเดียวกันทำให้คนที่ต้องมายกหรือว่าพยุงหรือว่าผู้ที่ดูแลเนี่ยเบาสบายขึ้นเยอะนะคะอีกอย่างหนึ่งก็คือถูกออกแบบมาให้ถูกเออร์โกนอมิกอยู่แล้วทำให้การกายภาพมีประสิทธิภาพมากยิ่งขึ้นนะคะน่าสนใจมากๆนี่ก็เป็นหัวข้อที่3แล้วนะคะในงานของเราค่ะที่มานำเรื่องของ5บริษัทชั้นนำจากทางไต้หวันนะคะทั้งหมด5บริษัทที่เจ๋งมากๆมาให้คุณผู้ชมได้รับชมกันนะคะลำดับถัดไปค่ะกลับมาที่เอ็กซเรย์กันบ้างเครื่องแรกนะคะเราเป็นกล้องนะคะที่ไปได้ทุกสนามนะคะสนามกีฬาหรือว่าไปที่ทางไกลเอ็กซเรย์ที่โรงเรียนหรืออะไรก็ได้อันนี้ค่ะเน้นไปที่เรื่องเอ็กซเรย์มือนะคะจะเจ๋งยังไงนะคะเดี๋ยววันนี้เราไปรู้จักกันดีกว่าซึ่งผู้ผลิตนะคะมาจากบริษัท Nanoray BITEC จำกัดนั่นเองค่ะในหัวข้อของ Easy and Safe Revolux Hand Diagnostic Radiography Imaging System นั่นเองนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, present to you this topic of Easy and Safe Revolux Hand Diagnostic Radiography Imaging System will be presented by คุณ Mike Su, CEO Nanoray Biotech Company Limited. Please welcome คุณ Mike Su นะคะ
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mike Su, CEO of Nanoray. I will be introducing our revolutionary product, the Revolux, a hand diagnostic radiology imaging system. Before I start, I would like to take this time to thank Taiwan Excellence for giving us this opportunity to present today. I will start by introducing who Nanoray is, then talk about Nanoray's core technology and its application in non-destructive testing and molecular therapy. Then I will introduce Revolux and its market overview, our market development, and business strategy. Nanoray was founded in Taiwan in 2007. We were the first to dedicate research and development and system production of the transmission X-ray technology, as well as obtaining ISO 13485 and QMS compliances. Nanoray has brought forth a breakthrough in transmission X-ray technology with commercial product specification and market applications. We are the first to use enclosed transmission X-ray technology, applying this technology in areas of non-destructive testing, medical imaging, diagnosis, and molecular cancer therapy. Our transmission X-ray technology is patented around the world. Our core technology is the transmission X-ray tube. Compared to conventional X-ray, our transmission X-ray output is emitted from the electron being hitting the target and penetrating through the target. The energy spectrum created is that of monochromatic. Depending on the targets used, the energy spectrum will differ its peak location, thereby also producing less radiation and less noise. Nanoray's core technology is the transmission X-ray tube. It has five main technical advantages. Our X-ray tube reduces radiation exposure up to 80% less compared to traditional X-ray. Because of the electron beam penetrates through the target, the resulting energy spectrum emits a wider angle at 60 degrees. Our X-ray tube luminous efficiency is 4 times greater than that of traditional X-ray. The image quality is far superior at the same energy output as traditional X-ray. So, at the same image quality as traditional X-ray, our transmission X-ray requires less energy consumption, as much as 90% compared to traditional X-ray. We also developed the use of multi-composite targets, creating dual energy spectrum that can be used in capturing images both of the bone and soft tissue with one exposure. This translates to some application advantages. We use our unique transmission X-ray module, integrating digital imaging detection board along with our own imaging software to produce a made in Taiwan world's first low-dose hand X-ray system. Its lightweight and system safety design creates a safe and easy environment. In the field of industrial inspection, we've developed X-ray inspection system that meets the Industry 4.0 automation for production lines. We've developed systems to both foreign and domestic manufacturers in industries such as electronics, semiconductors, green energy batteries, food and medicine, including major university laboratories. Industrial non-destructive inspection started out by manually using human visual inspection. Then with advances in technology came AOI, automated optical inspection, where visual inspection is done by cameras for surface inspections only. As the need for inspection under the surface or within the product, AXI, automated X-ray inspection, or IAXI, intelligent automated X-ray inspection, were developed, which utilizes AI in quality inspection. Nanoray provides such custom AXI solution to product manufacturers. We develop both the hardware, software needs to meet the type of quality inspection needed. We've developed customized intelligent X-ray systems for various industries in academia, semiconductor, food, and pharmaceutical industries. We've worked with major international manufacturers from various fields, including government agencies, research institutes, as well as PCB, electronics industry, panel industry, battery production, and food industry. In the field of medical treatment, we're using our X-ray technology for cancer therapy, called Azure Molecular Therapy, AMT for short. It's a combination therapy using our X-ray system and a specific heavy atom drug. In Azure Molecular Therapy, put it simply, it's a new type of cancer treatment using X-ray radiation and a drug for precision therapy. This new technology research results have been published in the American Association for Cancer Research, AARC, in 2019, and is currently FDA approved for clinical trials. This novel approach for cancer therapy has been approved by US FDA last September for a first-in-human study. We are now applying for IRB and Taiwan FDA approval for clinical phase 1 to be started in Taipei Medical University Hospital before the end of this year. In the field of medical imaging diagnostics, we focus our development on low radiation dosage X-ray system, hoping to bring better quality life to our society. In 2020, we began developing the Riverlux hand X-ray system, and in 2021, this product won the IF Design Award. In 2022, it was recognized by the Taiwan Excellence Award and obtained US FDA certification. In the future, we'll continue developing new low-dose X-ray medical devices such as baby fluoroscopy, mammography, brain CT, and other applications where radiation is of concern to the well-being of the patient. We use NanoRay's unique transmission X-ray module and its technical advantages to create the Riverlux hand diagnostic radiography imaging system. The design concept is aimed at simplicity and friendliness. Riverlux appearance refers to the concept of alternating mountains in Taiwan, and staggering design reduces the sense of heftiness in the product. The front screen is designed to guide the patient and the medical staff to clearly understand the imaging process, and the radiation-proof lead glass window on the side is designed to enable the patient to see their hand and increase their sense of security. Riverlux is designed to take the patients needing X-rays from having to go to the large hospitals to the local clinic in the field. It is expected to solve two issues: limiting radiation exposure to just the hand only, and quick image interpretation. The patient only needs to put his hand into the device, and the doctor can directly update the patient's image information in only about 5 seconds. In addition to be able to communicate with the current hospital PACS systems and quickly obtain AI diagnosis report through the cloud server to achieve the purpose of telemedicine. Riverlux improves the diagnostic process. Going to the hospital for a simple diagnosis requires going through the hospital's complex registration protocols. With the Riverlux, this process can be done directly on the system. In traditional X-ray shooting models, requires a large radiation shielded proof room at high cost of construction. With the Riverlux, radiation shielding is already designed into the system, breaking down the limitation of traditional X-ray done in the field settings. Using Riverlux shortens the time it takes to obtain X-ray images. And with its integration of AI solution, you can also obtain rapid image interpretation, thereby saving you time and money in reaching a diagnosis. There's a proverb in Taiwan that states, "Children are the future masters of the country." This emphasizes the importance of the children's education and health care. Bone age is a quick check to assess the child's growth and development. This examination is only to evaluate not only to evaluate how tall he can grow in the future, but also judge the overall health of the child based on the child's growth trend, whether it's premature or delayed. In 2020, a professor from Beijing Hospital in China has already used NanoRay's transmission X-ray to conduct research on child growth in Guangdong. They've collected data over 30,000 cases for analysis. In this study, the image quality of our unique light source has been highly recognized. Osteoporosis has also been a major problem for women and the elderly. For early detection, there are ultrasound and DEXA examination available for regular screening. But at present, these two inspections have some deficiencies. Ultrasound is mainly concerned about the lack of accuracy, while DEXA takes quite a long time. In recent years, some experts have used X-ray image and hand X-ray image and DEXA to make feature comparisons to find out its correlations, and develop AI software to rapid auxiliary diagnosis, which can greatly improve the accuracy compared to without ultrasound, and can also be more time-saving than doing a DEXA inspection. In addition to examination of bone age and bone density just mentioned, Riverlux can also provide a best image for doctors to diagnose and examine hand diseases such as hand fractures, rheumatoid arthritis, or gout. Now let me share a video to demonstrate the easiness and safetiness of Riverlux. After the inspection is completed, the data is uploaded to a mini PACS and also serves as an AI server, grafting various AI models for users to choose to assist in judging bone age or even other indications. In addition to diagnostics of children's bone age growth curve, it can also be used in bone density detection of the elderly, early diagnosis of rheumatoid joint disease, and for use in hand reconstruction surgery. We are seeking for opportunities to strategically cooperate with international manufacturers or distributors, adopt product authorization and ODM-based partnerships. Therefore, we've participated in many expos in the United States and other countries to promote the Riverlux. This is the one from RSNA in Chicago from last year, and Healthcare Expo in Taiwan. We have been researching and developed transmission X-ray for quite some time now. We are X-ray experts, providing the most accurate solution for industrial and medical industries. NanoRay looks forward to meeting you at our booth at K15, Taiwan Excellence Pavilion. Thank you for your time.
ขอเสียงตบมือให้กับคุณไมค์ซูค่ะผู้บริหารบริษัท NanoRay Biotech จำกัดนะคะ Thank you so much for your insightful presentation. Relax, low dose, high sale for all patients because the patient life is the most important thing for NanoRay of course นะคะตอนนี้นะคะผ่านไปแล้ว4บริษัทด้วยกันค่ะเมื่อสักครู่นี้เนี่ยเป็นเรื่องเครื่องเอ็กซเรย์มือนะคะมาดูว่าอายุกระดูกมือเป็นยังไงนะคะใช้ได้ตั้งแต่เด็กถึงผู้ใหญ่นะคะแล้วก็มีการพัฒนาเรื่อยๆเลยค่ะจนมีแผนไปจนถึง2024แล้วนะคะแล้วก็มีใช้ไปแล้วทั่วโลกด้วยเช่นเดียวกันค่ะเอาละค่ะคุณผู้ชมคะมาถึงหัวข้อสุดท้ายแล้วนะคะแต่ว่ายังเป็นหัวข้อที่น่าสนใจไม่แพ้กับ4หัวข้อที่เราได้พูดคุยกันมานะคะสำหรับหัวข้อนี้ใครที่เคยได้ยินเรื่องแผลกดทับบ้างไหมคะแผลกดทับนี่อันตรายแล้วก็หนักมากนะคะถ้าเกิดเป็นแล้วเนี่ยถ้าต้องติดเตียงเนี่ยจะหายยากมากๆแต่มาดูกันค่ะว่าโซลูชันใน presentation สุดท้ายนะคะของบริษัทจากไต้หวันจะเป็นยังไงทำให้แผลกดทับหายได้ยังไงนะคะหรือว่าดีขึ้นได้ยังไงเดี๋ยวเราไปดูกันนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least would like to invite Mr. Ray Yang, Asia Division Sales Manager of WellL Incorporated to present the topic of new generation concept of wound care management. Please welcome. ขอเสียงปรบมือให้กับท่านที่พรีเซนต์ท่านสุดท้ายด้วยค่ะเรียนเชิญค่ะ
Sawadee Krap. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. They say save the best for the last. Here I am. We used to call Apex company. Many of you might heard Apex, but you might first time to hear WellL because we rebrand since 2022. Why we do that? Because we used to do OEM, ODM for many mega manufacturers in the world, and we try to do our own brand since last decade. But Apex is not that well organized and that well known in the world because too many Apex companies. So that's why we rebrand to WellL. And we are the listed company. We listed it in 2002. And we identify ourselves as a global company because the 60% of the sales contributed by the European market. We have a Germany factory. We just merged the Germany manufacturers in 2020. And they have 2,200 dealers in Germany. And we have 1,800 dealers in Spain. That's why they're doing pretty well in the European market. And next year, we're going to establish a Japan subsidiary as well. Now we have a WellL Thailand. And we established it in 2016, Susu, Thailand. And we have a China factory, German factory, and Taiwan factory. And today we talk about one of our famous products, and I will present today. Okay. This is all the production lines of the air mattress from the OTC channels to the home care, nursing home, and to the way to the hospital. So we have a comprehensive comprehensive product line for different segmentations. And the IPC and the lifter, the manufacturer in the German. We have the biggest manufacturer in Germany to manufacture this. So if you have an interest about any other products, please feel free to contact me after the presentation. Thank you. And the number 2 products contribute about 20 sales is about CPAP for the sleep apnea OSA patient. This, we are ranking number 2 in Thailand, just way beyond the resume. So yes, we're number 2. And for the autoclave, we have a sister company in Taiwan called Sturdy. And Sturdy, they have a number 1 market share in Thailand as well. They're doing pretty well in Southeast Asia. So if you have interest in any of this, please feel free to contact me. Okay, so as you can see, the majority of the products is highly relative to the patient care, especially for the recovery, for the rehab. So you see, for those coma patients, disabled patients, immobility patients, they might use our product, especially after surgery, or they cannot easily to move their bodies. They need caregivers to help them. So what's the problem if the caregiver didn't provide a proper attentions about the patients? So they will get back sore, the pressure injury might occur because you don't move them a little bit. And for those patients, immobility patients, they cannot move. Vegetable people, they cannot move. So they need a caregiver to move their body, right? So that's why they need air mattress. If you don't move them, it might generate different kinds of status of the pressure injury from stage 1 away to the stage 4. So it requires different levels of the air mattress. And according to the guideline, PPUAE, PPSE, they say patients supposed to turn after you lie down on bed for a long time, and you need somebody to turn for you, right? But traditional way, the caregivers that turn the patients to 90 degrees. If you consider this is a heavy patient, you might need 1 or 2 people to help you to turn. But according to the guideline, we don't need to turn 90 degrees. 30 degrees is supposed to be sufficient and most efficient way, and can save a lot of cost if you just turn 30 degrees instead of 90s. And besides, most importantly, we design our product without just think about the patient itself. We also think about the caregivers, the nurses, the doctors in the hospital, because they look after the patient. If you turn the patient like this, you might injure your back, you might injure your arm easily, especially for overweight patient. So we have a one perfect solution for this. The turning air mattress. We can set up the turning angle, turning time, turning cycle, turning frequency, custom made for every different kind of patients that need us to turn. If they cannot turn, we turn for them. So we can choose the turning angle and the turning direction, right to the left, left to the right. And we can determine the turning angle frequency about 10 minutes to 60 minutes. And if you take 10 minutes, you will take 0 position, turn to the right and stay 10 minutes, and go back to 0 position, supply position for 10 minutes, and go left 10 minutes, and then stay 10 minutes and go back. That's called one cycle. So one cycle, it costs 1 hour. That's minimum. But for some patients, they still have conscious. If you turn too much, they will feel uncomfortable. So you can set the turning time to longer. How about to 60 minutes? They will feel nothing because the turn is very slow and gentle. So you can customize how much time you need to turn. You can talk to the patient or you can talk to the family, depends. So it's very smart. And actually, if the patient is asleep overnight, you can turn off the function. Then it's alternating. So you consider when you turn off the turning functions, it will be just a simple air mattress. Do the alternating at the same time. Okay, you see, there's a 10 degree, 20 degree, and 30 degree. When I visit Singapore, they use in the nursing home. I see an old man, very old man. He just maybe 45 kilos something, very lightweight. And the turning angle they set in too high, 30 degrees, so it's sliding on the bed. So for that case, I will suggest that maybe you can just set 10 degrees. That'll be enough for light patient. For overweight patient, you can set 30 degrees. Okay, so we have 3 different modes for different scenarios. So you can consider this will be a normal air mattress and the turning in the same times. So it depends what kind of the patients that you're dealing with. So you can set out a different function for them. And of course, we have a smart design we call side bolster. There's an air wall on the side. And it can avoid the patient slide out from the bed. So it's a protection. And between the gap, the arm to contact to the patient bed rail. So it will be additional protections. Okay. And the max front is when you want to do some nutrition treatment, change your diapers, do some therapies, you might need they be stable. Then you can push the max front, and it will make the patient the mattress be very hard, stiff. So you're easier to take care of the patient. Okay, what is this microclimate management? We have a special design because you know who is the enemy for the bed sore, for the pressure injury? Moisture and heat. So how we manage that? We create air floating underneath the air mattress. So the air is actually floating all the time. So it can take away the heat and the moisture from the surface, can keep the air mattress top cover dry, so it can reduce to generate the bed sore phenomenon. And it also has alarm systems. So once it has a leakage or broke down or malfunctions, it will set the signal beep, 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 the high frequency sound, so you will know something goes wrong. So it's pretty smart. There's a sensor in the pump. And this is all washable. So for the hospital, they can do the rental business. Actually, in Singapore, they do the rentals for the hospital and for the nursing home. So they can pick up and send to the laundry service and just send back. So they just need to replace the mattress top cover. That's it. So very easy to management for the hospital. Sorry. Okay, and now today we already sell to more than 12 hospitals in Thailand. Many of them that already accept our air mattress for the turning mattress. And we do a clinical trial for another one. It's a Palm Precision, the face down, Palm Precision with Pamangkukau Hospital. And now we try to do the turning mattress with, what's that called? Sorry, I forgot the name. Anyway, once we finish the clinical trial, I can share with all of you. Thank you. Kopun Kap.
Really lovely. Thank you very much, Kun Ray Yang, Asia Division Sales Manager from Well. Wow. Thank you so much for the perfect ending of the presentation of the day แขกผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านค่ะเมื่อสักครู่นี้นะคะก็อย่างที่บอกว่าเป็นอีกหนึ่งโซลูชันที่น่าสนใจมากๆแล้วก็คุณเรย์บอกว่า โรงพยาบาลที่ไทยซื้อไปแล้วนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นเราต้องรีบลงไปดูว่าโอ้โหถ้าโรงพยาบาลมีโซลูชันนี้รีบเลยนะคะผู้ป่วยต้องได้รับการดูแลที่ดีมากๆอย่างแน่นอนนะคะ Ladies and gentlemen, Optima Turn help in simplifying patient management, minimizing the risk of caregiver injury, and improving pressure sore prevention for patients requiring extended bed rates. This technology is the outcome of meticulous behavioral observation and analysis to provide truly high quality products to patients ก็จะเห็นว่ามี research ที่เยอะมากๆเลยนะคะ one moment
We have bring the demo unit to the booth K18. Please try yourself. The turning mattress is very fun.
นี่ก็คือชวนให้ซื้อแล้วนะคะสมเป็นเซลล์แมเนเจอร์ของเอเชียดิวิชั่นมากๆเลยนะคะลำดับต่อไปค่ะเปิดให้ประมาณ5นาทีสำหรับพี่ๆสื่อมวลชนถ้าเกิดมีคำถามนะคะแต่ว่าตอนที่ถามนะคะรบกวนยกมือแล้วก็ถามอาจจะเจาะจงเป็นบริษัทเลยก็ได้นะคะหรือว่าเทคโนโลยีเลยก็ได้ทางผู้ช่วยของทีมงานเราจะได้นำไมค์ไปให้ถูกนะคะมีไหมคะใครมีคำถามสามารถนะคะเดี๋ยวเรียนเชิญนะคะรอไมค์สักครู่หนึ่งรอพิธีกรใส่หูฟังด้วยสักครู่นะคะ
Dear sir, I would like to ask, what do you expect for the medical fair Thailand?
Which one you would like to ask specifically?
This,
Miss Her Yulin. May I have one more question, please?
I would like to ask, what do you expect for medical fair Thailand?
Okay, I think this is we are very happy that this is a quite successful fair this time, and actually we want to promote that our Taiwan's medical industry's image, that we are very good at innovation, and we focus on this customer orientation experience, and we want to have more reach to the global buyers around the world, and we would like to see that how we can cooperate together with the Taiwanese companies together we can enhance the quality, the service of this healthcare industry. That's why we are here today. Yeah.
Thank you very much ค่ะขอเสียงตบมือกับมิสพ่อยูลินด้วยนะคะค่ะมีอีกสักคำถามหนึ่งไหมคะยกมือได้นะคะ We still open for 5 minutes question from the floor. If you have, you can raise your hand, and our staff will send you the microphone. เรียนเชิญนะคะเดี๋ยวขออนุญาตเอาไมค์ให้กับคุณสุภาพสตรีนะคะท่านนี้สักนิดนึงนะคะถามท่านไหนคะสามารถเฉพาะเจาะจงได้เลยนะคะ
May I ask Mr. Su of Nanolay? Yeah. Okay, could you please share more about Nanolay Revolux hand diagnostic radiography imaging system is revolutionizing the diagnostics experience, particularly in terms of its low-risk approach, efficiency, and safety features. Additionally, how does being a made in Taiwan innovation contribute to the global landscape of medical imaging technology?
So the first question was describe a little bit about Revolux safety features, right? Revolux is using our own technology for the tube, and we are already, from our tube design, it does already emit very low radiation from that. Compared to traditional X-ray, uses up to almost 80% less radiation exposure to the human. Now, in addition, the whole system itself is already shielded. So you're not, so a bystander, so the mother or the father or a doctor that's next to the machine is not going to receive any radiation dosage. Whereas in traditional, you have to go inside the radiation room, and if the child is scared, and there usually takes quite a few images before he gets the hand because they move around. So sometimes even the parents go in there with them to hold a hand or help them feel safe. Okay, so that's what we feel that Revolux can reduce exposure to all parties involved in the imaging process. Now, as far as our product made in Taiwan, when we started on this venture, we wanted to present, to show that not only NanoRay itself can produce products that's 100% from Taiwan companies or designed and up to manufacture, all Taiwanese made, but also to let the rest of the world know that Taiwan has a lot of future medical devices that's going to be coming out. And we're just one of the ones that are here to present. Thank you.
ขอเสียงตบมือให้คุณแม็กซ์ซูนะคะเรลลักซ์นะคะ Thank you so much for your answer แขกผู้มีเกียรติทุกท่านค่ะอันนี้แค่น้ำจิ้มค่ะไม่ต้องห่วงเดี๋ยวจะเรียนเชิญพี่ๆสื่อมวลชนนะคะเราจะไปเยี่ยมชมของไต้หวัน Excellence Pavilion กันตรงนั้นนะคะบ่าย3:30ถึง4:30จะเปิดโอกาสให้ทุกท่านได้ซักถามนะคะท่านผู้บริหารจาก5บริษัทรวมถึงนะคะยังมีอีกหลากหลายบริษัทที่อยู่ที่ไต้หวัน Excellence Pavilion ด้วยเยี่ยมชมถ่ายภาพกันได้เลยนะคะอยู่บริเวณฮอ98นะคะบูธ K18 ค่ะบ่าย3:30จนถึง4:30นะคะอีกนิดนึงนะคะก่อนที่เราจะปิดงานของเราอย่างเป็นทางการนะคะทุกท่านคะรบกวนกรอกแบบสอบถามใบประเมินสักเล็กน้อยนะคะและสามารถคืนได้ที่จุดลงทะเบียนเราจะมีของที่ระลึกเล็กน้อยมอบให้กับทุกท่านด้วยนะคะและที่สำคัญค่ะเครื่องแปลภาษาอย่าเอากลับนะคะวางไว้กลับให้เรานะคะสามารถวางไว้ที่บริเวณด้านหน้าโต๊ะของทุกท่านเหมือนตอนที่มาได้เลยนะคะเดี๋ยวจะลืมกันค่ะเดี๋ยวจะคิดถึงตามถึงบ้านเลยนะ Ladies and gentlemen, if you wish to ask more questions with other executives from 5 companies, you are all invited to visit the Taiwan Excellence Pavilion downstairs at the booth K18 and hall number 89 between 3:30 until 4:30 p.m. So you can have another choice to visit many kind of companies, and please return the evaluation form at registration desk and pick the present back home and see you downstairs. Thank you very much ขอบคุณมากค่ะ